Leingak ki Dr. Shing Da KANGLON KAINA Lannai Hospital NATTRAGA Clinic Ta Thabak Touramlabadi Action Loukhatkani HAINA Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. SAPAM RANJAN na PHONGDORAKLI RIMS ki College of Nursing ki 12 Suba Foundation Day amasung or taking ki thoramda wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibani Lamfelda leiba Medical Directorate ki Multi-Purpose Hall da pangthokhiba thoram aduda Minister Dr. SAPAM RANJAN hai College of Nursing Lingkhatpa chahi 12 surakpaga iroinana College asina afaba nurse kya putoktuna lakpasi Afaba khongthang amani healthcare sector da nurse na loriba thongdang asi aduki matik chawi khunai am chawkhatpada haksel gi fibam faba haibasi yamna maru oi adu masi mai pakhan gi hairadi haksel gi maramda miyam da paktakna na khanghanba changi nakalamaramda Leingak nasu nursing profession da chaningba mahiroi singidamak common entrance examination ama thaba yabra haibadu kupna khanaragani haina mahakna phongdokhi
medical tamni hai na khalure MBBS tamni mana ultimately last nursing pan hai so he gets a choice and I want nursing tamni hai khalure the MBBS magi as per the ranking wise adu the choice to the basket becomes bigger and he gets a better choice adu idea just it's a conspiracy just wakhal the 12 some states are doing that we will be looking into every aspect. We will be taking feedbacks because seasonal the transparency of the Kazi 100 need to exam to the going club it will, I think, be beneficial for the people. It was your negative beyond the marking system. I think BSc is the negative marking of negative marking out there. I think NEET has negative marking and percentage. So we'll be looking into every aspect. As I repeat, it is just an idea which has been built up.